Hi there and welcome to new episode of inkitdesigns. Let's create this cool animation in today's episode. So let's get started. To begin with, first create a frame. Then create a blob using Blobs plugin. Adjust the blob inside the frame. Now adjust the logo on the blob. Now write the text. Make sure to color the text as according to the background color and change its opacity to 1. Now duplicate the frame and increase the logo size. Next, we'll increase our blob size till our screen is fully covered with it. Text that was kept on 1 opacity, just increase its opacity to 100. Now on our third screen, just rotate the blob and pull it down as shown in the video. Set the margins of your frame as shown in the video. I personally use a rectangle for it. Select the button and put the text in the center. Select the two and press Shift A to create auto layout. By pressing Alt, you can reduce the size of the button from both sides equally at once. So I had a last minute thought to change the color to this one, and I think it's looking pretty cool. Now it's time for our final step. Let's prototype it. And here's the outcome of our today's episode. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.